Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Palm Valley local and long distance movers near me. A long distance move is over 50 miles from your current location. You need your belongings to set up your new place and settle down properly. We understand this and ensure your belongings are well handled. Our delivery is very prompt. We make sure you get your belongings on time. We work with highly efficient and cautious movers. Our drivers are experienced and disciplined. Our moving trucks are also of high quality. We are registered under the authorities in charge of long-distance relocation. Our long-distance services are top-notch. We are the right option when you want to move to a distance less than 50 miles from your current address. We also have great insurance policies that cover risk liability during the move. Our customer service is exceptional. We are always available to attend to you and proffer solutions. Our exceptional services come at budget-friendly prices. We charge around $30 to $40 per hour. Our excellence and dedication are some of the reasons why locals highly recommend us. We give value to our clients at reasonable prices. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Palm Valley moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.